Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. MoneyThing.com is a platform that facilitates peer-to-peer lending, connecting borrowers seeking loans with individual investors willing to fund them. This creates an alternative investment opportunity for lenders and provides borrowers with access to capital outside of traditional financial institutions. The website functions as a marketplace, where loan applications are listed, detailing the borrower's profile, loan purpose, and requested terms. Investors can then browse these listings and choose to fund all or a portion of the loans that meet their investment criteria. MoneyThing emphasizes transparency, providing investors with as much information as possible about the borrowers and the associated risks. This includes credit scores, loan history, and other relevant financial data. For borrowers, MoneyThing offers a streamlined application process and potentially more competitive interest rates compared to traditional lenders. The platform carefully assesses each loan application to determine its viability and to mitigate the risk for investors. Furthermore, MoneyThing manages the entire loan process, from origination to collection, handling the administrative tasks and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. This simplifies the investment experience for lenders and streamlines the borrowing process for those seeking funds. The peer-to-peer lending model offered by MoneyThing can present a compelling option for both borrowers and lenders. While it's important to understand the inherent risks associated with any investment, the platform's focus on transparency and due diligence aims to create a more informed and efficient lending marketplace. By connecting individuals directly, MoneyThing seeks to bypass the complexities and overhead of traditional banking, potentially offering benefits to both sides of the lending equation. They offer a range of loan types and investment options, catering to different needs and risk appetites. Before making any investment decisions, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved in peer-to-peer lending.